Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is Belgium selects Origin Robotics Blaze Interceptor to boost urgent counter-drone capacity. Origin Robotics said the Belgian Ministry of Defense has chosen its AI-powered Blaze Interceptor for a €50 million counter-drone package approved to improve Belgium's ability to detect, track, and neutralize hostile unmanned aircraft. The company announced the decision after several weeks of rising drone incursions over airports, military sites, and critical infrastructure. The move follows mounting pressure on Belgium to strengthen airspace security, as repeated drone activity caused air traffic disruption. In recent weeks, the country relied on support from Germany and the United Kingdom to offset limited counter-drone resources. The short-term package is intended to ensure immediate resilience, while the Ministry of Defense prepares a longer-term plan. Defense Minister Theo Franken has also confirmed a €500 million program focused on sustained anti-drone capability development. Agris Kippers, CEO and co-founder of Origin Robotics, said, "This decision reaffirms Origin Robotics as a leading company in the field of advanced autonomous defense systems. In essence, this is a major statement of confidence. Belgium is facing an immediate security problem and has chosen Blaze as the solution. We are proud to support a NATO ally with a system built for exactly this type of threat environment, and we remain committed to delivering reliable, cost-effective, and rapidly deployable capabilities." Blaze, launched in May 2025, is an autonomous interceptor designed to counter fast-moving aerial threats, such as loitering munitions and hostile drones. The system combines radar detection, AI computer vision, and operator-approved autonomy, and is man-portable, rapidly deployable, and capable of intensive operational use. Intercepts are delivered through airburst fragmentation and supported by safety features, including operator-controlled wave-off commands for return or self-neutralization. Origin Robotics said the Belgian order adds to the growing use of its systems in Europe. The company noted that its Beak system has been deployed by the Latvian and Ukrainian armed forces and has gained recognition through national and EU defense programs. It said the latest procurement strengthens its position as a trusted supplier of autonomous aerial defense technologies. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.